Dreams come true when you plan it through. Goals are achieved when you believe. Mold your skills, be a winner. Do your best, 'cause skills matter. When there's no pain, there is no gain. Don't waste your time, always train. Build your future, be a leader. Do your best, 'cause skills matter. Come on, you can be a winner. Come on, you can be tougher. Come on, you can be a leader. Come on, 'cause skills matter. From coding to passion in art, do what you love, do it from heart. From engineer to bartender, do your best, 'cause skills matter. When there's no pain, there is no gain. Don't waste your time, always train. Build your future, be a leader. Do your best, 'cause skills matter. Come on, you can be a winner. Come on, you can be tougher. Come on, you can be a leader. Come on, 'cause skills matter.
And hello world. Welcome everyone, mentors, partners, and organizers from Shift 101 and 1C Company, and of course our participants and our audience of 1C Skills Camp Asia. This is hashtag BTS Results, the 1C Skills Camp Asia Basic Training Stage Awarding Program. The Basics Training Stage covers the 1C Enterprise First Step Beginner's Course and Development Basics Junior Course. 1C Skills Camp is a series of free training and skills competitions for teams and individual developers. The 4th edition focuses in Asia. We are introducing 1C Enterprise Platform, a low-code platform that is very easy to use even without a solid background in programming. 1C Skills Camp is an annual event that is all free with global opportunities and significant cash prizes. Please visit 1cskills.com and 1centerprise.com to know more about 1C Skills Camp and 1C Enterprise. 1C Skills Camp Asia is presented by 1C Company and Shift 101 in partnership with 1C Vietnam, Rise Up South Africa, 1CI Indonesia, and 1C Forus Mongolia. The basic training stage summary and demographics. As mentioned, basic training stage covers 1C Enterprise First Step Beginner's Course and Development Basics Junior Course. 1C Enterprise First Step course is the first ever course in the camp. Its main objective is to become familiar with the platform and evaluate if it is suitable for the participants. The course has a total of 22 tutorial videos and 7 quizzes, and good for 6 days. The duration of the first step course was last July 1 to 10. Team building or presentations were submitted July 8 to 14, and the announcement of passers was held last July 14. Of the 264 registrants, 123 passers passed the first step course. The 1C Enterprise Development Basic course main objective is to be able to know how the 1C Enterprise platform works and its features. The course has a total of 4 modules and 1 project and is good for 8 weeks. The duration of the junior course was from July 15 to September 8. The interim results program was held last August 18. 50 individuals were able to accomplish Module 1. And for Module 2, scores were organized per category. 23 individuals and 8 teams managed to move forward to the next module, while 18 individuals and 8 teams were able to finish Module 3. And today, September 15, 2023, we will get to know the results of Module 4 and the entire basic training stage. Before we proceed with the junior course analysis, let's watch the video introductions of individual participants.
Hi all, my name is Artem. I have been developing on the 1C platform in Russian for about 10 years, and I decided to try development in English. I hope to meet developers from other countries, and I wish good luck to all participants. Goodbye.
Hi everyone, my name is Bảo. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I'm a developer of 1C Vietnam company. To learn and broaden my horizon about IT, that's why I participate in 1C Skill Game 2023. Hi all, welcome to this competition. With us, best of luck.
Good day everyone, I'm John H. De La Torre from Philippines. I'm 16 years old and I'm a high school student here in Colomboangin National High School. I'm currently studying Information Communications and Technology, also known as ICT, with the specializations of Technical Drafting and Animations. I enjoy creating and listening to music, playing guitar and other instruments. People describe me as friendly, energetic, and smart. I decided to participate in 1C Skills Camp to develop my skills and gain more knowledge about programming. To all participants, enjoy and best of luck. Thank you, and once again, I am John H. De La Torre from Philippines.
Good day everyone, I'm Ricardo Enriquez from Philippines. I'm a public teacher under the Department of Education, teaching senior high school students at Colomboangin National High School. I decided to join 1C Skills Camp 2023 for the third time around because besides with the free training and cash prizes, I also want to experience Vietnam and meet some old friends if there is a chance. But of course, there are more opportunities if you have the necessary skills related in the industry. And more than that, I believe that I can put it into practice, especially in the field of education. I can also do some audio, video, and photo editing, create websites, and do some relaxation like singing, dancing, and most of all, I love experiment with cooking. Lastly, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for having this kind of 1C Skills Camp since day one. May God bless everyone and more power.
At this point, we will have the entire junior course developer course analysis. Please welcome our 1C Skills Camp Chief Mentor and Course Developer, Mr. Anton Shivkovsky from 1C Company. Tony?
Well, thank you, Joey. Hello, everyone. Today, I won't take long. I'd like to speak with you about the main mistakes and parts of our modules 3 and 4. Okay. So, speaking about the module 3, okay. Here we have the first task with document posting modes. You had to implement the 2 checks into the posting procedure of the purchases document. Here they are. It is pretty simple. The first one is about the posting mode. So if we have a regular posting mode, then we cancel all our checks. Secondly, we check the strict budget check constant. So because it is a Boolean constant, it returns true or false. We simply get this constant, and that's all, actually. This was an easy task. And now task 3.2 about the expert function, where I have noticed the most number of mistakes. The point is that when we have multiple checks on many errors that can occur in our code, for example, we check the type of the variable, we check if the start date is smaller than the end date, we can have multiple errors at the same time. So we should not stop the procedure of function and return the current error message. We have to gather them. So first of all, we create the empty variable string error, okay, and then if some error occurs, we just maybe add, we add this error description, and after the change of this string error, we just return the complex string error, okay? This is what you have to do to check for all the errors. Now we go to module 4. Okay, the main task was to create a print form for the information register. Here it is, here is the task. The other tasks were pretty simple, but for example, in task 4.1, some of you didn't create a check for an empty string. So let's see how it should be done. So here is the code for our form. As you remember, if we do not type the address of the shop, our program should ask us if we want to search for the shop name instead of address. If we type yes, then we search for the shop name instead of address. So here is the implementation with the help of show query box. Okay, we have a notified description, we have the question. So that is pretty simple, and it works very nice. The other thing is with catalog banks. As you remember, we had to implement the catalog banks button accounts to show all the accounts that are owned by this particular bank. The task was to create a button. Automatically, it is just a reference. It's a button reference. It is blue, and you can also tap on it and you will see the result. But I wanted you to create a button. So here is the button. We just create a button, and after that we have a global command. Here, accounts. That is simple. 2 actions, and you receive what is needed. It should be a button. So we move finally to the information register and its template. You had to print header and print the print form. So we have two commands. As you can see, actually these two commands are made automatically, and they are pretty simple. Yeah. So you won't find any any differences, except here is the check. If the register is empty, yeah, we have a simple query. If there are no records in the register, we message that the register is empty, and then we abort the printing. So we have nothing to print. Okay. After that, we go to the manager module, and we see a very, very pretty solution. If we have print only header, so we have this print header function, yeah, and then we just return after printing only the header, and we do not execute any query at all. That was a very simple task, as far as I can guess. Half of it can be done automatically using the query wizards with result processing and so on. So that is all that I had to tell you. Again, congratulations to all the winners, and also I'd like to thank you for your feedback. With the help of your feedback, we can do our courses better. So thank you.
Thank you, Tony. Before we proceed with the announcement of results, let's watch the video introductions of team participants.
Xin chào tất cả mọi người, nhóm chúng tôi là nhóm T2T đến từ Việt Nam. Nhóm gồm có 2 thành viên là chúng tôi biết đến cuộc thi Skincare 2023 qua sự giới thiệu của một số người bạn. Đây chính là cơ hội giúp cho mọi người giao lưu với tất cả bạn bè trên thế giới, cũng như là để nâng cao khả năng làm việc nhóm và tiếp thu thêm nhiều tri thức. Tôi là Đỗ Thị Ngọc Trang, là trưởng nhóm T2T, hiện tại đang là sinh viên năm 3 của trường Đại học Bách khoa Hà Nội. Với sở thích tìm hiểu và học tập thêm các ngôn ngữ lập trình, nên khi đến với cuộc thi này, tôi mong bản thân sẽ học tập được thật là nhiều trong thời gian sắp tới.
Xin chào tất cả mọi người, mình là Trường, hiện đang là sinh viên năm 3 của trường Đại học Hà Nội. Chuyên ngành của mình là công nghệ phần mềm. Đến với cuộc thi Skincare 2023 này với một tâm thể hiện là giao lưu hỏi. Mình mong muốn được cọ sát và được làm quen thêm nhiều người bạn mới. Lời cuối cùng thì mình cũng xin được cảm ơn ban tổ chức cũng như là công ty 1C Việt Nam đã hỗ trợ chúng mình trong suốt cuộc thi này. Mình cảm ơn.
Skillcamp Asia 2023, we are 1C Innovation 3.
I'm Vinh.
I'm Nghĩa. And I'm Thương. Our goal for this contest is to learn into role an engineer, and we are excited to challenge ourselves and see what we can accomplish.
We are confident that we can do well in this contest. We are all passionate about engineering, and we have been working hard to prepare for this.
We want to thank the organizer of this contest to give us the opportunity to participate. We would also like to greet other team here too.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Andre Cruz. My teammates are Nino Tapnyo and John Eric Criñova, and we are Team Altier.
As a team, we decided to join the 1C Skills Camp to improve our programming skills, logical thinking, analyzing skills, and to explore more about our chosen career.
So everyone, that's all for now, and once again, we are Team Altier. Have a great day.
Again, we would like to remind our Philippine audience to please join #HackandRoll, the 1C Skills Camp Asia games and promos with the following mechanics. Number 1, type in the comment section, !notify and tag 5 of your friends. Number 2, share this live to public with #1C Skills Camp Asia. And lastly, heart our live. The date on when, on how, and how to claim the cash prize will be announced at the end of our program. We will have 10 winners of 500 pesos each. Thank you and good luck. And so, this is it. Let us now continue with the results and important announcements. Who will be the top 3 teams and individual participants? Who will be invited in St. Petersburg for the professional skills competition? And what we will look forward to in the advanced training stage. Without any further delay, please let us all welcome our 1C Skills Camp Project Manager, Mr. Evgeny Leshenko from 1C Company. Eugene?
Thank you, Joey. Hi, everyone. Congratulations to all who completed the first stage of our 1C Skills Camp 2023. You finish perhaps the most extensive course and you are all great. Before we announce the winners, let me remind you how points were awarded for assignments in the junior course. The maximum is 200 points per course, but those participants who submitted their solutions early could earn up to 300 points. But I think you're already patient to hear who won. So let's start with the individual category. First place, Ricardo Enriquez, Philippines. Second place, Trisha Nicole, Philippines. And third place, Anna Dementieva, Mongolia. All three participants showed very close results. Congratulations! Now let's move to the team competition. First place, PH3 Team Philippines. Second place, TBS Team Vietnam. And third place, Miu 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 Team Vietnam. Congratulations, teams! We will contact you about the transfer of cash prizes individually. But that's not all. Now it's time to announce who will go to the final of the Professionals Championship in St. Petersburg in Russia in November. For this, we took into account only the individual scores of the participants without additional coefficients. So, from Vietnam, the winner is Nguyen Van Hun. And from the Philippines, Isaac Grail Balingit. Congratulations, guys! You won a trip to Russia. We will also contact you and discuss organizational issues. And interesting, what will be challenge at the professionals finals? We know that the task will take 3 days and consist of 3 different sessions. In the first sessions, the competitors need to set up business process in the 1C company management solution without modifications. At the second session, it will be necessary to customize the application according to specified requirements. And the third session involves mobile development. Some of these tasks will be new for our competitors, so we will need to prepare additionally in October and November. And now let's see what schedule awaits us in the coming months. In September and October, we conduct the 1C mobile development course. At the end, the participants will have to implement a comprehensive solution with a desktop and mobile part and data exchange between them. We will summarize the results in early November. Based on the results of this course and especially practical tasks, the finalists of our camp will be determined. In November, our finalists as well as finalists of the professional championship will prepare to the finals using additional materials what we will provide. This is a study of the 1C company management solution, methods of integration with third-party services, and other materials that will be useful in completing the final project. The final competition will take place in Hanoi on December 8-11, and let me remind you that the main prize is still $5,000 for teams and $1,000 for the individual category. The mobile development course starts today. The first 2 modules do not contain practical tasks, however, you will need to install the full 1C platform and register a license. Today, information about pin codes and installation pack that you can use will send by email. Please check, and if you want to receive the email today, contact us. I remind you that all results of the previous stage return to 0, and everyone will have a chance to prove that you are worthy of the final. The practical tasks of the course are completely new, and all participants will be on equal terms. I also remind you about the prize money based on the results of the second stage, as well as that 3 best teams and 6 best individual participants will receive an invitation to the finals. So that concludes my part of our webinar. I once again congratulate our winners, and also many thanks to all our partners, mentors in holding this competition. We look forward to see you in our next meetings. Thank you and goodbye. Enjoy.
Thank you very much, Eugene. Congratulations to all our participants and good luck as you are now one step closer to the finals. What will be our status in the professional skills competition and who will make it to the Grand Finals Hackathon in Vietnam? Those are what we will watch for in the next 1C Skills Camp Asia programs. And also, it's our cutoff time for #HackandRoll. Winners of #HackandRoll will be announced and contacted until next week, September 22nd. Congratulations in advance and thank you for your support. This has been #BTS Results, the 1C Skills Camp Asia Basic Training Stage Awarding Program. Thank you once again, everyone, mentors, partners, and our organizers from 1C Company and Shift 101, and especially our participants and audience of 1C Skills Camp Asia. Stay safe, everyone, and see you in the advanced training stage.